badness. No badness. We not promote no badness. Stop the badness. Security. I got my security work right now. I got my security right now in my BMW. See my BMW, I got my security work in Miami. I got my security work right now. Stop the badness, people. No, stop the badness.
Remember, say, a Mavdo make you know Alkaline. Try remember that. Remember, say, oh, you know Alkaline, you was a security at the show right over there in Lauder Hill College. Lauder Hill, right up a Lauder Hill College up there, so. Right there, so. What the show did keep with Alkaline and Mavdo about 6 years ago. You remember that? And you was security at the show? Them time them forward from over Sponge Music. And when you turn bad man. And when you turn bad man, Sponge. And you call me. And you say, yo.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. There yourself for telling the world, go on for not to go on. You see me, so obviously you can't see the man them now back down. You see me, I say Sponge respond to Flexx, the complex, once again. And it's not a good look because, wow, this time the people them think Flexx was an artist and, you know, selling eggs just to come to find no say I'm a security guard. But we now watch that because I'm up the street lock. Pick up grand spend, but him did say some things in him life that, you know, did have to come clear up, you know, Flexx, they say him a style Alkaline and all of these things. I for left Gaza and Gully thing alone, left Mavdo and Kartel thing alone because you're just a wagonist. This is what I say. But as you can see, Sponge say nothing no go so. Only can press pause and read what him say in him caption, but in the first one, him said one general big up Rado. Now I don't know who Rado is, but people in the life did ask him if I'm good with my father, but him just end the line after that. But nevertheless, let's hear a little bit of what Flexx has to say, and then we'll proceed into what Sponge is responding to his image.
You remember how you cuss Alkaline and say Alkaline a pussy, and Alkaline can't come a blood clad Atlanta? You remember? And anyway, you see Alkaline, you gonna lick him in your face. Because him never vice pan the rhythm yet. You remember? Leave Mavdo and Kartel alone. Mavdo and Kartel was before everything was going. So I know nothing if the man them a do them.
Stop the badness. Because I just left me here because I know my woman beat me here. I have to run out of the house a while ago because I know my woman beat me. I know my woman beat me through me there I play a beer bumbo class and I have to run out of my house. Look how much the woman beat me again, you know. I'm going to stop the badness. Also, I buy my woman and I pay 100,000 down payment and yo, I don't start the badness here, dog. I don't start the badness, yeah? You remember me a security, remember they said me a security for rare man. Me a rare man security. I don't start the badness, I beg you to start the blood clot badness. A while ago, me in my house I play some song and my woman I go beat me, I have to run out! Bumbuckler, me have to run out a while ago because I don't want she beat me. We don't start the badness. Put down the badness. Young youth, we don't start the badness. Remember, we don't start the badness. Please, me a beg. See me in my BMW, yeah? See me in my BMW, yeah? I drive got my security work. I drive got my security bumbuckler at work in my glasses without shirt. Please, me a beg, we don't start the badness. Please. I beg you to start the badness. Me a beg you to please. All me a beg you to please start the badness. That's all me a beg you to. True, me can't never call no foul and be a foul come over. Please start the badness. Me a beg you no. Please start the badness. People, remember 2026, we not promote no fuckery. You see me I got my security work right now. And me a beg you to start the badness. Me I got my security work without shirt in my shorts, in my BMW. And me a beg you to please stop the badness. I am begging. I'm at a gas station right now. at Miami Garden, and me I beg you please start the badness. I'm begging you. All me I beg you no badness. That's it. Start the badness. Me I got my security work right now. Remember they say me I do security work. Cause when me I look out for my friend and know say me I hold off a gate for my friend I keep a show. Then say me I do security work. So stop the badness. Remember me I no bad man. Me's a scholar. He's a graduate from Strayer University. He's not a bad man. I don't believe in badness. I buy some gas in my car, in my BMW. I got my security work. So stop the badness. Stop the blood clot badness. Where badness I go? We not go with badness. What we not talk about? I got my security work. Yeah, remember me I got my security work. Remember me guard artist. And me I got my security work now. So me I beg you know. See me BMW, yeah? I security work have to pay for it a month time. So me I got my security work. So please stop the badness. Please. I'm begging you to stop the badness. I got my security. Me BMW, yeah? Please. Remember BMW have to get paid for me. I got me not on a shirt. Bumbuckler, me not on a shirt. Me find on a shirt in here. Bumbuckler. I just my Louis wallet over there, so. Bumbuckler. I'm my Louis wallet all over there, so. Stop the badness. Me I beg you know. Remember God is good. God is good all the time. Please stop the badness. Stop the bumbuckler badness. Me I got me security work right now. Yeah, stop the badness. Me no want me have no friend, because me no want nobody go say me I go lick my friend in their face. So no nobody be my friend anymore. Please me I beg you. Please, as God me I beg you. Look, don't be my friend, because me no want nobody go say me I lick my friend in their face. Stop the bad. Me I got my bumbuckler security. See me security work me I go, yeah? Please stop the badness. No badness. Badness is not the way, my people. I love you, know. And me just say me love you. Stop the badness. I want Vendetta same way. One Vendetta same way, but me I got my security work. Because I have to come off a live with you now. And I got my blood clot security work in my BMW. See my Louis wallet there. But I got use, but I got buy one back like this if I got my security work. Please, me I beg you just stop the blood clot badness. Remember me I'm not a bad man. I don't believe in badness people. I born in a political home. And my mother was a politician and my grandmother was a politician and my father was a businessman. I don't know about badness. Please stop the blood clot badness. No badness. Say no to badness. You see me? Alright. Blessing and honor everybody. Have a happy 4th of July and God bless you. Me and mommy I got my security work. No, me I put on my shirt. Me can't find the shirt though. Where's the shirt there? This store the gas station me there. You know, stop the badness. Stop the blood clot badness. And then we can go to work. So let me see if they will let me in. So I put the car in the park and see if they will let me in. So I want to start the badness. God bless you. Know. Remember, God is love. God is good and God is good all the time. Have a happy 4th. Yeah, man. Cool na BJ. Sicky, man. Right now, no type Sicky. Type Sicky. Type Sicky. All on the type Sicky. Sicky. Every man type Sicky right now. Sicky. What them say? Yo, what they say in Jamaica? When nigga security guard, what they say? What they say, nigga? What they say? What they say in Jamaica? When nigga security guard, Sicky, type Sicky in that app. Every man type Sicky right now, Sicky. Every man says Sicky right now. Y'all gotta go to work. Every man type Sicky right now. See me BMW, yeah? Me I going on my BMW and me I got my security work. Please, me I beg you. When you just stream MPT album, when you stream the song them girl good, when you just stream the whole of the song them, big up the whole Vendetta camp, and I love and honor, when you stop the badness. Remember me is not a bad man, stop the blood clot badness. There's some gas me come get for my security work. I'm begging you, please, y'all stop the badness. Badness is not the way. It's not the way. When you type Sicky, every man type Sicky. Every man type Sicky in the app. Every man type Sicky in the bumbuckler app now. I remember me a security guard. Every man type Sicky. I want to beat up my friend them, I want to let my friend them all out. I want to do it. Every man type Sicky, brother. You just say Sicky. Sicky, yeah man. No, come on now, not type Sicky, bro. Say Sicky. Say Sicky. Because I never know say all in gate for my friend. Me turn security guard. So every man type Sicky. Every man type Sicky right now. Me too have to come off right now because I have to go up on my security work. Please, me I beg you now. Will not get me fired. Big up on yourself. Heart of love. Yeah. Bless. Big up on Bless. I send them a new number. Here, Jenna. Blessings and honor. Love. Happy 4th of July. Y'all stay safe. Big up Sponge Music. One Sicky. Yeah. And you see me? No, me a Sicky. Remember me a Sicky. Me a look at security. Did I phone mark me there? I got security. I have to come off my phone, you know, because I got my security work here. Heart of love. Now, my Lord Rebel team, man, make him talk, man. Bless him up. Just send him blessing. When him talk, say, bless up. Don't do that. Don't send him nothing bad, man. Stop the violence, bro. Stop the violence, bro. Don't just say big up Sicky. When you see me, when you say Sponge Music, a.k.a. Sicky. Oh, yeah, man. And just say Sponge Music, a.k.a. Sicky. Yeah, man, I got my security cut. I got my security work now. and I see y'all later, okay? Me no want my woman beat me, because remember me have to care back by a certain time. Remember me out a shirt, me dey on the road in a shorts, a white t-shirt, and me no want she beat me, because remember they said that she a beat me, you know. So me no want she beat me, so me have to care back the car once it BMW by a certain time. The car me have to care back, touchless. See her up on the screen too. See her, you know, see her? Me no want she beat me, so me have to left for no. Me have to left for no, because she go beat me. She go beat out my blood clot. Yeah, she go beat me. So little more, heart of love. Let me hurry up and go before she beat me, yeah? Heart of love, blessings.
So you see what time it is. Them say no pum pum test. You feel me? But yeah, Alkaline them can't size up to Gully and Gaza. That's just impossible. You feel me? What's possible is Alkaline them for really make them name if them got to war with Massacre and, you know, people in a film group, and, you know, trying to size up to the greatest, the gods, as Gully called himself. It's not a good look, you know what I mean? But just again, a quick update while going from to go on, you see me? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. And just check out these next suggested videos and they sit on the screen. In the meantime, bless.